Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open a live stream on TikTok from PC. Let's start. First of all, open your web browser. Then select your profile to continue. Here, search for TikTok. Click on the official website of TikTok. Then, from the home page, click on Upload from the top right corner. From here, click on your profile icon. Tap on Live Studio. As you can see, it gives the option of free download for Windows. You need to install the app in your system. Once it is done, click to open it. Wait for it to be opened. Click on Set Up Now. It will start testing the default device. After that, click on Next to go next. Here, it will show camera settings. Again, click on Next. Then, in streaming settings, it will show you speed of internet. It will apply settings that work best with your internet speed. Once it is done, click on OK. Now, you can see your streaming settings. Click on Next to go ahead. Here, select the scene settings. It is advised to select landscape scenes for a PC or laptop and portrait scenes for a mobile device. Continue selecting the landscape scenes. Your TikTok Live Studio has been set. Click on the Start button to learn how to get started. Then click on Apply. Here is Access Plan for TikTok Livestream. Click on Go Back. Now click on the Go Live button to start the live video on your TikTok account. Also, you can record your live session by clicking on the Record. So this is how you can open a live stream on TikTok from a PC. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.